the 2026 Chongqing International Friendship Cities Cooperation Conference, a delegation from South Africa's Free State Province told Chongqing that they hope to learn from Chongqing's experience in advanced manufacturing, smart infrastructure, and social governance, while further deepening cooperation in areas such as renewable energy, tourism, and investment.
And this is the first time that we're engaging with them at this level. It's the first time that the Free State as a province is represented in this kind of a conference, especially in the city itself. So we're very grateful and very appreciative of the invite. We've also learned how they deal not only with municipal issues, the social issues as well. In his presentation, we learned how they do voluntary work, visiting the elderly in their areas. It's like building a civic society. Then what they did, what we learned from what he was presenting was that the social workers are being sent to families, in particular in this case the elderly, those who are living alone, just to check their well-being and advise and assist them. So it's one thing that is also key, because building the society contributes as well to the economy of a country, of a city. So that's exactly what we learned from this presentation. Other than that, since I said it's the first time that we are coming here, we're looking forward to the mutual agreements, making sure that we sign MOAs where possible, having the collaboration in investments. We do have land, by the way, from Free State in the issue of addressing the issue of renewable energy. We do have land, so we're looking forward for investors to come and invest in our province. We're already having investors from China, some of people who are interested in investing, and it's in automotive, yes, and yes, in automotive and in energy as well. We've got a lot of land. Already, as we speak, there's a district where we're having a lot of Chinese people who are investing in solar parks in our area. So I'm here with the MEC, who's responsible for economic development, treasury, and tourism as well. So we are learning a lot from them. So our province is agricultural mainly, and tourism. Those are the key contributory sectors. But as I said, we're having our SEZ CEO here, who's also going to make sure that to motivate and actually to make sure that we attract more investors into our province. So I got a very strong team with me today that is going to engage other sectors here in making sure that we contribute back to our community. We've got some business people who have also joined us today. They are looking at opportunities as well. So I'm happy with the visit so far.
No, the relations has always been good. Even before South Africa was liberated, and immediately after the democratic breakthrough in 1994, China was one of those countries that volunteered to help us as a country, but also as a continent. But as a province, the reason we are here is because, one, we are expecting to learn more about the manufacturing, particularly the new advanced manufacturing. Yesterday we were taken through Chongqing, and we are so impressed about what we have seen. The second thing is to learn more about the logistic and the smart infrastructure. You know, we have the aging infrastructure, but yesterday we were able to look at the more modern and advanced infrastructure, and it's very smart. So these are some of the things that we really want to draw from. But also the urban planning. You know, Free State is one of those rural provinces in the country. But at least what we're aiming at is to ensure that those rural areas are turned into urban areas so that they are able to attract more of the economic activities, and that economy must grow and must include everyone, particularly people who are oppressed, who are not participating in the economy in the past years. Then the last one, which I think is closer to our heart, is the issue of tourism. We really want to encourage the Chongqing to have some sort of a pact between us and themselves on tourism, because what we have seen yesterday, we were blown out. You know, they use smaller things that we also have. There are so many similarities. So what we have seen yesterday, we really want to copy from the Chongqing and have that kind of a development taking place. All what we are saying to China is that Free State, like any other province in our country, is also investable. We are inviting them to invest.
The Free State is at the heart of the
country.
Country South
Yes,
Africa.
we've got 9 provinces. So out of all those 9 provinces, we are bordering 6 of those provinces. So Free State is at the heart of the whole of the country. So it makes it easy for logistics and any other activity that we can talk about, whether it's social, whether it's economic. It makes a sense that we need to invest in such an area.
During the conference, delegations from multiple provinces and cities in South Africa also held exchanges and cooperation talks with Chongqing in areas including infrastructure development, tourism, trade, and renewable energy. As local-level exchanges between China and South Africa continue to deepen, Friendship City cooperation across continents is expected to create broader opportunities for future development and collaboration.